Hi everyone, this is Margarita with CityGal Papeterie. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, if you are returning, welcome back. In my last video, I was showing you how I prepped this junk journal to use. And so here is the journal all completed and full. So I wanted to do a flip through for you. And as you can see, it is a disc bound journal. I used a punch to create the notches, and then I had some rings that I used to place the pages in. I actually had to remove some pages because it got too thick. So for my cover, I used a recycled piece of scrap paper that I had done some work on and didn't complete it, and then I attached the flap that comes over the front. And so here you can see my spreads for the journal itself, and the theme of this journal was just peace, just inner peace, with peace within my heart, peace within my life. And so that's just basically what I themed the journal and the layouts to. And so this is a little decorated paperclip that I made that I had around my stuff that I didn't know what to do with. Here's a little glassine bag. And the little envelope that I had made myself. As you can see, I did some stamping on the pages. I used scrap paper. I used some paint to paint some abstract shapes and marks. I used black gel pen to doodle and to journal. There is an envelope that I just put some things in. I used some transparent stickers with wording to decorate. I had a section here with just graph paper that I use for journaling. I journaled on one side, and on the other opposite page I just did some collaging. And I found this a really great way to use up some of my scraps and to put in some, little inspiring pieces that kind of coordinated with how I was feeling. Here's another little pocket and some more scraps that I had lying around. Here's a piece of acetate that I used as a tab that I just stapled onto the side of that page. Some more paint, little pocket that I made, a photo of me and my husband, some die cuts that I had printed out, a paper clip that I decorated, and another pocket on this page. And a lot of these are a lot of the pieces that I use again are just scraps that I had in my stash. And I used a piece of packaging, a little pouch that was for packaging, to create this. I punched the holes on the side just like I did with all the other pages, and then at the top I sewed there on the left hand side, and I inserted some glitter and some sequins, and then I sewed along the top and then covered the stitching with some washi tape to give it that little detail. Here's some more painted papers and some more journaling about peace, picture of my family, more paints, more doodling. This is a decorated paper clip. I've been playing around with paper clips quite a bit lately. And just behind that's just more quotes about peace and finding peace within ourselves. And this is the end of the journal that completes it. I'm really happy with it. Like I said, I had to take some pages out, but I hope that this was helpful. I hope it inspired someone. I hope that it gives you ideas on using scraps and things like that. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye.